Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to add Python constraints in Odoo. So in the previous video we have shown you about the working of SQL constraints. So in this video we will be discussing about the Python constraints. So what we will be doing is that suppose if I go to the patients, so here we have the patients menu, and if I try to create a patient, here you can see we have a field called date of birth. So if I'm creating a patient called test, and here you can see in the date of birth I can enter any dates, maybe today or even the dates like September 2022. If I click on save, there is no validation. So actually in real case we will not have a date of birth of 2022 and month of September. So currently it's only April 17 today, so we cannot enter a date of birth greater than today. Right now if I go to the 2023, system will accept 2023, such dates will be accepted. So this is not actually a good data. So current today's date is April 17 of 2022, and we cannot say or we cannot create a patient with date of birth in 2023. So such data we have to validate before creating the records inside the Odoo. So let's see how we can add a constraint for this date of birth field in hospital dot patient model. So I'll go to the PyCharm, and here we have the custom add-ons and OM hospital module. So inside the models folder we have patient dot py file where we have defined the hospital dot patient model. So what I'll do is that here I will add a function using at API constraints decorator. So in Odoo, we have a decorator called API constraint. So we can write it like this: at API constraint. Like this, we have a decorator similar to the decorator like at API model, at API depends, and at API on change. We have API constraint for this purpose. So inside this you have to specify which field you have to validate. So right now we have to validate the date of birth field. So I'll copy this and I will put it here at API constraints of date of birth, then define a function. So I'll define the function as diff underscore check. I'll start the function with name underscore check, then the field name. So this is the syntax that you have to follow. Suppose if you are adding constraint for a single field, you can just diff underscore check, then field name, then just iterate self over the for loop in order to avoid the singleton error. Then you can add your condition. So at API constraint field name, the function name is given, self is iterated over the for loop. Then I will check if rec dot date of birth. So first of all I will check whether user is entered the date of birth or not. If rec dot date of birth and rec dot date of birth greater than fields dot date today. So fields dot date will give date dot today will give me the current date. So this will give me the current date, and the user entered data is greater than today's date. We have to show the error message. So I'll use the validation error in Odoo. Validation error raise validation error, then you the date is the entered date. The entered date is not acceptable. I'll enter the warning as like this: the entered date is not acceptable. Entered date of birth, I'll give like this: entered date of birth is not acceptable. Or you can change the warning according to your need. So first of all, here you can see I have already imported from odoo.exception import validation error, and here I'm raising this validation error. Also this underscore has been imported here, and here I have given the warning message: the entered date of birth is not acceptable. So let's restart the service. So I have just added the constraint and restarted the service. And if I try to create a new record, so I'll try to create a new record. 2022, and I'll give the date as 2026, July 1. And if I try to save, you can see the validation error has been thrown. The entered date of birth is not acceptable. So if I change it to the today's date, that is we have to go back to 2022 and April 17. So I'll enter the current day, and if I click on save, you can see there is no warning. And if I click on edit, and if I change to tomorrow, that is 18, and if I click on save, you can see the entered date of birth is not acceptable because this value fields dot day to day. If I print this over here, print today, I'll print today fields dot date today, and also I'll print the rec dot date of birth. So rec dot date of birth will give the entered value by the user. So I'll just print this over here, and if I just restart the service, and if I come to the UI, and if I click on save, and if we check the log, you can see today is 17th of April, and but the enter date is 18th, which is greater than today. So this error has been thrown. So I hope you understood the working of API constraints in Odoo. So if you have multiple fields, you can put like this comma and specify the next field name. Suppose if the validation has to be applied based on multiple fields, you can put comma separated field names, and you can change the function name accordingly. So right now I'll keep the single field, that is direct API constraint date of birth. So I hope you understood the working of API constraints in Odoo. So if you like the video, please do click the like button and support us by having a comment and sharing the video with your Odoo friends. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.